What's going on, guys? This is from my previous video. Here we have seen how to create a title for the web page. When I run this one, okay, let me open Safari. Okay, when I run this one, you can see here it says this is the title sucker because we put it between title. But here what we are going to do is we are going to edit this one furthermore, and we are going to add body, and also we are going to see how we can add header to this. So first let's see how to add body. To add body, after this, after head, create a tag called body, and whenever you create a tag, you have to always end the tag with a / with the same name. Since we created body, we had to end this one with body and / body, like this. In between, whatever we type is going to be in the body. Let's type I am in the body. I am in the body. And if I let's serve this one, let's serve, and when I open this one, you can see we are getting I am in the body. Okay, let me minimize this. So this is the title sucker, that's our web page title, and here we have a body, that is I am in the body. Now here we are also going to see how to add headers. To add headers, all you have to do is just after body, just put h1, that's header 1. Inside of this one, whatever you want to type. For example, let's say the world end in 2012. The world end in 2012. And let's finish this one. Whatever you start, you have to always finish that one with / with the same name. Since we created h1. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's serve this one first. File, serve, and let's run this one. And here you can see we are getting a header that world ends in 2012. Whatever you put in header, it's always going to be bolder and also bigger. It's going to be bolder and bigger. And here we can add as many header as we want. Now let's see if I add one more header to this, what's going to happen. Just copy this one and paste it right here. And instead of this h1, just change this one into h2, and let's serve this one and run. Let's see what happens. I served this one. Now when I run this, you can see the letter becomes smaller. So you can do this one as much as you want. When you do that, it's going to be like that. It will be smaller, like it will become smaller and smaller, and it will go up to 6, the size 6. And that's how we can add header and body to a web page. And that's how we do this. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And also, if you are trying to learn CSS and XHTML, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.